The Rainwater Conservation Module, RCM, promote rainwater permeation, can keep Earth green, and provide economical and simple solution to create ecological environmental balance. The structure of RCM, Rainwater Conservation Module. RCM composes of vertical, mesh wells, and horizontal, water chambers. It collects rainwater that then permeate to subsoil and finally percolates to aquifer. Mesh well are the artificial vertical permeation facilities can not only set a better penetration of the effect of storage, can also be used as horizontal water chamber connection between the nodes, which can accommodate drainage, sludge generated during debris removal, to maintain a regular basis to facilitate smooth drainage. Usually, mesh well and water chamber with a rainwater conservation module to collect on the surface rainfall and saturated ground in the permeation of rainwater to groundwater layer. The principle of RCM, Rainwater Conservation Module, is to collect rainfall from surface first, and then make the saturated groundwater infiltrating into aquifer. The water chamber manufacturing principles. Traditional subsoil pipes are dug holes around the pipe. They must come along with gravel and other non-woven filter material, coated to prevent pipe blockage. The water chamber is half-moon shape design. The half-moon part is impermeable layer, and the flat part is permeable layer. When constructing, the flat part of the mesh lies down. It results in soil particles sinking due to gravity and not going with water into the aqueduct. Therefore, water chamber can solve the problem of underground drainage pipe blocking without filter material and clog resistant. The Rainwater Conservation Module. Permeate rainwater, avoid flooding. Before city developed, there is enough bare ground for permeation of rainwater to result in ecological balance. Because of high-density urban development, there is not enough bare ground for permeation of rainwater to avoid flood. This approach is referred as artificial permeation, which makes up for the lack of natural permeation. RCM collects rainwater, reinforces permeation of rainwater, and avoids flooding of surface runoff. The urban areas with high-density development cannot provide adequate permeation and permeable pavement for water. They indeed need the artificial facilities, such as water well-based system, to help the permeation of rainwater. ACM collects penetrated rainwater and let the water rapid permeate underground. It is easy and cheap for construction and maintenance of ACM, which is the best selection for the pavement drainage system. Moisture sensors are set up in different depth of the soil, which are 10, 40 and 70 cm. The accumulated water runoff level is also observed in both sites. Conclusion. The eco-mesh pipe, water permeation, heat island effect mitigation, creating ecological balance, keep the earth green, and be economical and simple solution.